Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. It's that time of season again. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make something look spooky, be it a photo or a video in Photoshop. I'm going to show you guys two different methods. One is going to be the beginner method and one is going to be more of an experienced slash expert method, if you will. So first, let's begin with the beginner method. You might notice I have this image right here. This video clip right here. I'm going to go ahead and play it. As you can see, he just jumps up and down. Now, for this first method, literally everything in Photoshop. That's all you need. Stuff in Photoshop. We're going to start by opening the effects browser. Click on this icon to open the effects browser. Now the effect we want to search for first called night, day to night. So we can search night, and day to night is exactly what we want. We could do night, honestly, they're both kind of about the same, but I like day on to night for most things because I don't know, it just gives that extra whatever. Let's see. And now that we have that, we're not quite done yet. There's one more effect that we need to search for, which is rain. Not raindrops, just rain, particularly rain. Okay. That's what we need. Plain and simple. Rain. As you can see, the rain came with its own sort of density and stuff. You can click on high quality to make more rain look like it's coming, but I think that's a little too much in most cases. But in this case, it's fine. It really just depends. And if you do drag them on top of each other, you can go for that look if you want. Usually they go by whichever order you put them on, but you can actually change the order if you want. And now, if we go back and play this, you would see that it has this whole spooky thing going on. Now I'm going to go back and play it without high quality turned on, and we will see how that looks. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, see, I think that's a lot better in my humble opinion. And we can always, move the brightness of the rain up and down. I think it's fine by default, personally. We could change the density of the rain, make more, make less. Again, I find it's just fine by default, and we could change how dark it is. Now this might be more for the kind of dark, spooky vibe you would expect. And it just overall, I think, adds a little bit of a spooky element to it. That's just me, though. But now let's go on to the more advanced method here. Okay, so this is let's call it advanced method. Yeah. Okay, so we do start, I guess I should explain. Let me start off by pointing out that this is this has a transparent background. So see, if I disable this, there's no background. Because it's a transparent background. Now, a transparent background lets me do a few things, okay? It lets me add extra things. So we're going to start off exactly how we did before with night and rain. Okay, so we search night like we did. We apply it to the bottom layer because we don't want to apply it to our subject. And then, of course, we search for rain like we did back in the basic method. And then we apply the rain. And, we play around with it till we find, exactly what we want. And then we have it matched up so far. But there is something else we can do. Let's go and click out of there. We are going down to FCB's Saber. Now, I actually made a whole video covering this plugin. It's completely free, but this is why we needed to have a subject on its own layer. So we can actually apply this, okay? Yeah, we can actually apply this. And right alone by itself, that looks okay, but we are going to change it a bit, okay? I have a pre-saved orange saved already. Yeah, I have an orange that's already saved that I use and I enjoy using. So that's just what the orange ends up looking like on this. But we are not done, okay? Because we actually are going to change this here. Okay, so like I said, just keeping it like this alone. Spooky within its own, right? Super spooky. And there we go. You could even use it to make a TikTok or a YouTube short if you want. Just plain and simple. But there is something more we can do, okay? We can change this to outside only. We can change the width. So, it's quite a bit bigger up there, which is very good. Very, very good so far. It's a very good thing. But wait, there's more. I actually did a video not too long covering a tool for adding blur, particularly a plugin called motion blur, motion blur, for adding motion blur. I'll actually leave a link in the description below to it once again. We're just going to drag it over here, okay? Yeah, we're going to drag it over here. And then we're just going to go to it. And like magic, we can see, first of all, the whole plugin, the Saber plugin, it does do a lot to the machine, and since I'm recording this at the same time, it's very intensive on it. But yeah, as you can see, this is the final result. You can play around with the blur a little bit if you wish and whatnot. But yeah, with that said, hopefully you guys found it helpful in some way, shape, or form. And happy spooky season, everyone. Later.